Okay, what's the difference between an aim, a goal, an objective, and a target? Well, they're all the same kind of, but they're all very different as well. An aim is a direction, a goal is a result, an objective is an action, and a target is a measurable outcome. Don't worry, I'll explain. Aim is a general direction. Okay, so our aim is to improve team communication. Our aim is to strengthen our brand. Our aim is to deliver better customer service. Our aim is to become more sustainable, meaning this is the direction we're going in. That's why we say aim, because it's the direction we've chosen. Okay, so aim was about direction. Goal is about your desired result, what results you want. So our goal is to build a more collaborative team. Our goal is to increase customer loyalty. My goal is a better online presence. Our goal is to reduce operating costs. Our desired result, that's a goal. This is different from goal and aim and target. I mean, all of these are different from each other, but objective is pretty different on its own because objective is a specific action. So our objective is to introduce weekly team check-ins. Our objective is to launch a customer feedback survey. Our objective is to publish 3 times per week. My objective is to review customer feedback. So my objective, or our objective, is the specific action. That's the goal, but it's an objective because we're focusing on an action, not on a result. Target almost always has numbers. Target is exact measurable outcomes. So our target is to increase sales by 10% this month. Their target is to reduce complaints by 20% before September. My target is to gain 5,000 more subscribers in the next year. Their target is to cut delivery delays from 3 to 2 days. Okay, so we use an aim for a direction, a goal for a result, an objective for an action or the action we take, and a target for a measurable outcome. I hope you found these useful.